Gavana Mahoma be Gladys Wanga koni kweth mar siasa mora Piny Kenya. Nitie thuolo matimo limbe mar uso agenda margi ka mora magidwaro. Wanga oloso motel ne romo mar siasa ma kweth malinda mwananchi ochano bago e kaunti ma Homa Bay tarik 16 dwe ni. Olose kinde romo mare gi jopiny skul primar mandingo e kar chung'od bura makabondo kasipul. Okoni kaka duond bura mar ODM ma ochung'e mise ma demokrasia girwako kweth siasa mora otim campaigns gi kamora. Bende okwara were kaunti ma Homa Bay kod gwenge amoko e piny Luo mondo nyakwe kendo githegre gi timbe mag nyawo tulo.
As an ODM party, we have been the fighter for all freedoms. Freedoms of people to go wherever they want, to speak whatever they want. And we want to say that anybody is free to tour any part of this country. Anybody is free to sell whatever they want to any part of this country. But we can say that as a people, particularly in the ODM party, our decision is made. So you can tour these places, you can tour them 5 times, you can come back 7 times, you can come back 20 times. And I want to urge our young people, let us not fight. Let us not shed blood. Let us not fight each other. We are one family. We are one family as young people of this region. Let us not fight. We are one people as young people of this nation. Let us not fight. Mtu akikuja, wacha aseme mambo yake. Akimaliza, wacha aende. Usiku atafanya nini? Atalala.